media coordinator, and so they needed influencers to come out. They're having an event just showcasing all of their patio furniture. They have some really nice stuff. Like, I see this set over there. Like, it looks like an indoor dining room. It's so cute. So, obviously, if you see anything, because we're going to get a few things, you know, like a...
BTS.
Yep, that. of the store. But you guys can see some things. So, stay tuned.
Guys, look who we ran into. The gorgeous Mo the Diva.
She looks so beautiful.
She does. Say it again.
You ready to go make flowers?
Yeah.
Let's go make flowers.
Make flowers. Guys, they have a bouquet truck outside. I don't know if you can really see it out there. But yeah, it's super cute, and we're going to go out there and make some bouquets. Ain't that how you say it?
Make an arrangement.
An arrangement, that's right. Yeah, we don't do that. We don't do it.
From mom's area.
Yeah, so guess what? It's making flowers, okay?
Okay.
Thank you so much for coming.
Yeah, thank you.
I know it's bulky, but and thank you for coming. If you ever need anything, you guys are here in Atlanta, right? Like me and Lauren are both here. Our headquarters is here. Okay. And so if you ever need anything, or if you're ever interested in collaborating together, or just need something, or if you're like, hey, I'm talking about the showroom, can we get the managers and stuff? Happy to. So.
Really? Those are super cute.
Yeah, they don't have any more. And I was gonna get this shirt here.
Does it match? Does it go? Does it go?
Yes. Well, I don't know if they're supposed to go, but...
Oh, okay. Oh, cute.
Those are available until they're out.
Okay.
You're welcome. Let me know if I can help you.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
See, putting it down early, we're missing stuff. Oh, there they are.
Nelson. Jason Nelson. I like Jim and the hologram.
No, this, we look like, I don't know where. Ooh.
Yours isn't as bad. So we're gonna get the trio, and then we're gonna get the, I'm gonna get the shrimp taco.
I want the fish.
I think I want a shrimp and fish. I want to do
So yeah, we can, well, if they don't do that, we can switch out.
Yeah, because I think it comes with 3, or you can get 3. I think you can get as many as you want. I don't think there's like a set amount.
He thought you meant 7 people.
Yeah, 7 people. I said, oh no, 7.
Y'all crazy.
But then I realized that I said I have a reservation for 7. And so I told myself, okay, I can see how that goes.
That's cute.
I told myself, okay, I can see how that works. But no.
Hi guys, so we're here at Pascal's and we're about to get some food. But guess who we have with us? Can you see her? Yeah. Okay. It's Mama. Y'all, she barely made it here because her flight was flying in the air all morning, okay? But she's here and we're finna get some food.
That's a lot of food. That's a lot of food. Yeah.
Oh, what's that?
I can't look.
What is it? Why not?
Hi, Ken, how are
Hi,
you?
good, how are you? Why not? Thank you. Why not?
Well, because you're supposed to be very.
What's that one? Eucalyptus?
The Waikiki.
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
Smell good?
Which one is the line? That's cute.
Sure is. Thank you, sir. You too. Thanks. Okay, guys, so we're going to end this vlog here, but we are on our way home. Bye. We're on our way home. Guys, we had an eventful day. Nails, feet, mom flying in the air all day, basically.
All morning.
All morning, yeah.
Up next, BCI Honors. I hope we won.
I know, right? Bye, guys.
Watch out now.
See y'all in the next vlog.